This is a Bel Air.
55 or 57?
This is a 57 Bel Air.
Okay. Ross love them Bel Airs too.
Yeah, Ross do. Ross boy, woo.
Don't show it to Ross. Ross go buy it up off
Ross, yeah, he will. Ross got some dangerous stuff over there at the house.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is my Bel Air. She pretty.
You got that candy, you got that flip-flop on it.
Yeah, she doing all type of stuff depending on where you stand.
Yeah, exactly.
That's why I took out the shower cap so you can kind of.
Yeah,
see.
man.
This is actually my dad, his truck. I just redid it when he passed away. You see most of the cars I have orange on them.
14 on, don't you?
Yeah. So I'll take this off, man. I have somebody put it, but yeah, this is a Chevy. I forgot what kind of car this is, my dad. It was a Chevy truck.
Yeah.
Pop shit. This, I used to watch Dukes of Hazzard.
Oh yeah.
When I was little, so except we got an 02 on the side.
Okay.
And still working on this. I got a Hellcat motor in the crate I'm putting here.
Ooh. Got the Lambo truck.
Wow.
You got the 6.2S.